Right, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be looking at getting the true length of this line segment AB. Okay, there's A, there's B, there's A1, B1 over here. Here's my vertical plane, here's my horizontal plane. Now I can project and I can get a true length in this section over here. I can project up there or I can project down here. In the question, I need to check and see what it is that they also want other than the true length. In the question up here, it says they want the true inclination of the line segment AB to the horizontal plane. If I'm needing the true inclination of that line segment AB to the horizontal plane, then I've just got to recognize where I need to take my measurements. Here, what I've done is I've just constructed a vertical plane, and here's the little the line segment. I've got my little battery over here, and you can see that it's standing at an angle to the horizontal plane over here. So in other words, there's an angle in here which you can see more or less on this vertical plane. If I look across from my front over here, I've got my line segment drawn in over there. All right? That angle that I've got over there, that angle is not a true angle of inclination. All right? But I'm going to need to use the information from this vertical plane in order to get that true angle of inclination. So that angle over there, that's not correct. I need to project what I've got over here down over here in order to get that true angle of inclination. So to start with, what I need to do is I need to take my set squares. I line a set square up with the line A1, B1 over there. I slide that down approximately 10 millimeters. I draw with a 0.3 line an XY axis over here. I'm just going to lengthen that out. I'm going to call that X1, Y1. And then after I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my line lined up with that so I can slide that down. Note that line is parallel to that line, and I keep on sliding down over here. I now take my other set square, I turn it round, I line it up with the line B1 over there, that point B1. I then slide that across to where A1 is over there. I can then take my measurements from my vertical plane, remembering I'm using the information from this view over here to transfer over here. So I take that information from the XY axis, which I've got over there, to A, go to the new XY axis and plant that down, and I'll end up with my new point A2. And now I'm going to go up to the B over there, from the XY axis up to B. Find B, go to the new XY axis, and plant down that measurement over there to get B2. And I now have a line segment, a true length of the line segment AB. That is my true length, which I can measure off. True length is over there, TL. But I can also find my true angle of inclination to the horizontal plane. So that angle over there, I'm going to find the true angle by measuring whatever this angle is over here using a protractor. So I need to take my protractor now, place the 0 on the point where it cuts through the XY axis over there, get that properly lined up, and I'm going to measure off. Just going to zoom in, shift that up so you can see. All right. Measuring from here, I'm measuring up 10, 20, 30, and I think it's about 32 and a half degrees. So I can write in over here 33 degrees. Just round it up. Right, there you go. There's your true angle of inclination to the horizontal plane, getting the information from this view that you're seeing on the vertical plane and transferring it down over here.